Hey, what's up, Chiliz holder? So what's going on, my millionaire brother? This time all cryptocurrency is going up, but I don't know why the Chiliz is going down completely. But in the previous result, if we check out, absolutely the last previous day, absolutely Chiliz going up. So this is urgent video and very surprising for every Chiliz holder. So let's start the price prediction of Chiliz. But before I get started, if you are new on this channel, please most welcome to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe for latest videos. I guide you every good news or every good situation or bad. Okay, so please subscribe it. Please click the red button, guys. If you check out this time the last 1 hour chart, I already opened you this time. They go on very straightly, but they take sometime jump, but they take a very bad dump. So this time I think they take a very bad dump, and the chart as minus 0.25%. They're gone down. Oh my goodness, market cap rate as very badly down, and this time the price, if you can see here, I think this is absolutely decreased. Absolutely, the Chiliz coin price decreased, my friend. Let's check out the last 24-hour result to what's going on in the last 24-hour result. Absolutely very important. So let's check out. If you are new, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Remember, subscribe. Okay. This time, if you can see here, in the last 24-hour, the result, the chart result has gone very badly down. Very badly down. So this is urgent video for Chiliz holders. Sorry for late video. I already let this video, friends. This time some holders tell me on Instagram, message me to what video please make video, especially urgently. Therefore I make this video to please hold it this time. I explain you at the end of this video, but you can see here this time the chart occur minus 6.7% gone down, my friend. This is very badly down. You can see here the price change occur 0.54634 US dollar as the latest price. So I think the price has mostly decreased day by day and hour by hour. Let's check out, guys, the last chart of this video. The last chart as the last 7 previous days. If you check out this time, the last 7 day chart has gone up. Oh my goodness. And if you know about the crypto market, is totally very badly down, and all cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin and StormX, I already tell you in my previous videos to StormX and Bitcoin, these two cryptocurrency in the previous days and the last 7 days totally gone down. But I cannot understand. I cannot imagine that to how is it possible to Chiliz gone up. But this time I can't believe to why Chiliz has gone down in the last in the last 24-hour result, because the last 24-hour result has gone very bad. But if you check out this time, absolutely gone. If you are short time to use sell buy hold, then absolutely this is good time for you to use sell it. Absolutely good time. But if you are you decide to for long time you hold it, then absolutely cannot sell it. Absolutely this is bad time, but I hope a good time is soon. So wait for the good time and please hold it. Okay, and if you have any plan to buy more, then absolutely this is good time for you buy it and hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you a good profit, they make you millionaire. So wait, a Chiliz holder, please, and subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news and updates. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.